So this is the crappy part about working with burl, is the grain goes every direction and you never know where it's gonna break. My wife has had a set of these spoons for 5 years that have not broken, and I've now broken 2 just in the process of trying to get 4 spoons made. So that's fun, but I'm about to Frankenstein these suckers back together, and hopefully the outcome is better than what I even started with. So let's see what it turns into.